One event.
Good morning to everyone, to all pickleball players, and of course to our ball manager, Anthony. Let's give him a big round of applause. And also Brian is here, and the coaches. So I have no código to mention their names. We have Coach Alan Florentino. Let's give him a big round of applause. Coach of Lauren, the top player in the world. Lauren Mercado, the top player. Palakpan po natin siya. We have Lex Mercado, the brother of Lauren. And of course, the Soleta sisters are here. I remember Bambi, right? Bambi, Bien was a top player in lawn tennis division. #1 tennis player in the Philippines. Together with their sister Bambi, right? Yeah, so, I would like to congratulate SM Bikutan for I think this is the second in SM malls to construct pickleball. The first one is in Santa Mesa, as what mentioned by Brian, and this is the second completion of 4 pickleball courts. So this will be my first time to play pickleball because I play tennis. So when we go there, we play tennis, Lauren. You'll teach me how to play. So congratulations, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mayor, and to all our pickleball lovers, we would like to invite you as the pickleball court at the 3rd level, new wing, to learn more about pickleball and to witness the exhibition feed of Lauren Mercado. And let's go and see you all there.